If you're visiting this YouTube channel for the first time, do subscribe. I'll be posting more videos on assignments preparations and IGNOU exams. I assume you're a professional working and at the same time doing your MEG course. It can be English, history, or any other paper. First of all, let me appreciate the efforts you have taken to do an MEG course, regardless of the knowledge that it's going to be a bit difficult from the other distant mode of learning. One of the key advantages of doing any course from IGNOU is that it's widely accepted, and in case if you're planning to write the NET exam in future, the syllabus of IGNOU is going to be very helpful, and it's going to be very easy for you to prepare for the forthcoming exams apart from your MA or BA exams from IGNOU. So submitting the assignment is a big part of the IGNOU program. You need to write the assignments and submit it in your study center. Only then you will be able to apply for your term and writing exam. Since IGNOU has made it mandatory to submit the handwritten copy of the assignments, it is actually helpful for us to learn about the topic while we write the assignments. At least we will read about that and then we'll be a knowledgeable person regarding the topic of the assignment. It can also be considered as a serious step towards the preparation of the term and exams as well. Although the number of the textbooks and the units in them might frighten you, as a matter of fact, it's actually quite easy to locate the answers for the assignments preparations if you know how to do it. First thing is, of course, downloading the necessary assignments by visiting the IGNOU site. As you can see, I am on the page of MEG English, Masters of English. I'll be demonstrating you the sample of MEG English throughout this video. I've given the link to download the assignments, so you can check it out from the descriptions below. I'm going to be using MEG 5 as a sample to demonstrate you what I'm going to do and how I'm going to find the answers from the assignments textbooks. As you can see, we have selected MEG 5 of English language and literature. I'm going to be showing you the fourth question as a sample. As you can see, I have circled the phrase superstructure in Marxist criticism. This is only a random selection of mine. You can apply this technique to all the questions of any papers of the assignments. After you decide on the questions, go through the books and select the unit that resembles with the question. At the end of every chapter, you can see some questions related with that unit. Fortunately, IGNOU asks and selects questions for the assignments from this area. Once you clearly identify which unit the answer is actually from, you can come back to the unit and start underlining the key parts of the answers where you think the answer lies. After you decide what and what not to write for the assignments, it's not a good idea to simply copy-paste the answers or the sentences exactly from the textbook into your assignments, but instead read and understand and change those sentences and phrases into your own English and write it down for the assignments. So this is a technique you need to use to find the answers of all the questions of all the assignments, and you're good to go. Feel free to email me or WhatsApp me regarding your queries on assignments preparations of IGNOU or the term and exam preparations. I'll be more than happy to help you. So all the best in your preparations of IGNOU assignments and your term and exams. Happy studies.